being here with us. My name is Mohammed. Anyway, I'm a chairperson of Kurdish Support Center, Dakok Support Center. We are supporting our Kurdish people here. Anyway, I have two things, to be honest. One of them is about Barzani and his strong relationship with Erdogan. And we are seeing every day Turkish army attacking our Kurdish people in Kurdistan cities in Iraq. Unfortunately, we see them, they are bombarding our mountains and they are killing our civil people, our brothers and sisters in Kurdistan, and unfortunately Barzani has a very strong relationship with Erdogan. So the first question is, what do you think about that and what they need to do, especially about Mr. Mazloum Kobani, because we see him as a very honest commander and we are honored, we are proud of him. The second thing, I think today, Ahmad Shah held the first, the National Peace Conference without Kurdish and Druze and Alawis. So, do you think this is for strengthening his power in Damascus or for peace? Because they held for peace, but without Kurdish and Druze and Alawis. So thanks.
Thank you very much. And Dr. Yüksel